So instantaneous versus average speed. What's the difference? Why does everyone think one's constant? That is, so this is at what you're currently going at. Yeah. What's an example of an instantaneous speed? What's something that measures your instantaneous speed? So that'd be like your speedometer. While your average is your average speed, your overall speed. I don't know why people kept putting one as constant. Your average speed is not constant. It's constantly changing. Currently traveling at. What is velocity? So how fast you're going, or speed plus direction. If when you slam on your brakes, what type of acceleration do you experience? I said what type of acceleration? Negative. So no units. Like for example, what is a feet per second per minute? Is that distance, velocity, or acceleration unit? Or a time unit? What type of unit is that? Is it distance, velocity, or acceleration, or time? So velocity is equal to a distance over time, but there's two time units. And acceleration is velocity over time. This will be a velocity, and this will be a time. That's acceleration. So acceleration has two time units. So be able to do problems like homework 1. Yes, because feet per second squared, there's 2 of these seconds. That's what the square means. Second squared means second times seconds. Pay attention to units. Remember, 30 minutes is half an hour. Pay attention. Ask you how many minutes does it take you to travel if you're going 5 feet in 30 seconds. I'm asking you for minutes. Make sure you check units. There'll be several graphing problems. Should mention the code word of the day is echo. Code word of the day is echo. So graphing problems. Make sure you understand what slope means, how to calculate speed, velocity. So, for example, so this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is a distance time graph. In which segment are they accelerating? Yeah. Just B. So remember for distance, so we're constantly increasing by the same amount over and over. Remember that curved lines means acceleration. Is this acceleration positive or negative? Negative. Because it's slowing down. I'm getting more and more flat. I'm coming to a stop. And exactly, then you made a U-turn. So I was moving at some speed. I started slowing down and stopped. And then I gassed it back in reverse. So make sure you look at your notes for all the motion. Make sure you can solve. Oh, another important thing, very important. What is the equation for velocity? Velocity is equal to what? Distance over time. And how would you draw the triangle? See on the top. And what is the equation for acceleration? Final minus initial time. So you will have to memorize this. If you don't memorize this, you'll probably end up making an extremely bad grade. As almost the entire test requires you to use the two equations. So make sure you memorize. The first. Yes. And I believe that's it. So it's going to be like your homework. Yep. Take up homework. Oh, which homework? I gave you your homework one that. Oh, I don't give extra homework. Mm-mm. I haven't graded your homework 2 yet, the one of our graphs. I only have homework 1 graded. That's it. Very short lesson. Are there any questions about the test tomorrow?